Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through Munch, a heavily data-driven video repurposing platform engineered specifically to extract viral short-form clips out of your long-form footage. If you're a podcaster, webinar host, or stream producer, you know that the real bottleneck isn't shooting the content, it's manually combing through hours of audio to find punchy highlights, reframing them to vertical layouts, and formatting them for multiple platforms. Munch completely shifts this workflow by treating your long-form video as raw data, scanning it for high-interest topics, and automatically clipping the most engaging sections for you. The absolute core differentiator of Munch is its advanced trend-matching integration. Unlike standard clipping tools that rely solely on spoken word transcripts, Munch cross-references your video's content with real-time marketing data, search volumes, and current algorithmic trends across TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. It scores your clips based on potential virality, ensuring you publish content that already matches what audiences are actively searching for. Combined with its smart computer vision framework, the system automatically reframes horizontal 16:9 video into a perfect vertical 9:16 grid, tracking the active speaker's face seamlessly so the main action stays perfectly centered. Beyond the video editing, Munch functions like an automated social media assistant. For every single extracted clip, the AI generates contextually accurate titles, platform-optimized descriptions, and trending SEO hashtags tailored to boost organic reach. The subtitle engine burns in highly animated captions with automatic keyword highlighting, and the built-in brand kit allows teams to apply custom fonts, logos, and specific color templates instantly. While the premium subscription pricing is significantly higher than basic tools, and the AI selection still requires occasional manual trimming to catch exact context, the platform's ability to handle clipping, trend tracking, and multi-platform publishing inside a single browser workspace makes it an absolute powerhouse for scaling your brand. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.